Alright, back with another pool pond update. Got some filtration hooked up. Homemade out of a Tidy Cats container. And just put in some PVC pipe for outputs. JB welded the stuff in, and then run pot scrubbies, charcoal, the white ammonia stuff, all that good stuff in there. Got a dock out in the center, cause wherever he is, Mr. Turtley dude is out here somewhere. We'll catch him when he pops up, but Turtle's in here now. Enjoying it. It's the biggest tank he's ever seen in his life. So went to put him back inside after testing to see if he liked it. He was begging to come back out here, so got it hooked up and set up for him real quick. Wherever he is. But slowly but surely coming together nicely. Gonna try and get some of the fish out here next. So hopefully that goes well. There he is. There's Mr. Price. Loving it. Hopefully he just don't try and escape, which I don't see why he would. Pretty content turtle. And this thing's huge, so I don't see him wanting to leave. But I can definitely try and quickly get some kind of fencing and stuff up around this. So other than that, just gonna make sure that side stays nice and aired up. Hopefully we'll be alright. Alright, they're back. And the fish are in. I'll put the fish from my 155 gallon out here. Now I can drain their tank and work on building a bookshelf stand for that tank. But got my Oscar, a blood parrot, and a Jack Dempsey in here now to add to the Convict cichlid and the 4 goldfish. I'm honestly probably going to get some more goldfish, some minnows, just so we can have enough activity and fishing here that we can see them, and then that way I don't really have to invest in any other fish that are going to get big. They'll just be food for fish and the turtle, which he is loving it. He don't even mind that I'm here with him. Usually you come near him and he just jumps right on into the water, but he's here, he's hanging out, he's chilling. He's liking it. And then there's plenty of room in here for all the fish and the turtle to be able to escape each other and set up territories far enough away from each other that I don't think we'll have any aggression between my pet fish. And so we're just gonna get some netting and stuff, or some fencing of some kind for around here. Just a little extra protective measure. Gotta replace this freaking pump because the one that came with the pool already out, but the extra flow rate would be nice. I think that's 1,000 gallon per hour pump, which just to filter out a lot of the particle debris would be nice. But this will do. That's a 350 gallon within ratings, so it'll do. Probably give it a 24 hours, and I'm sure this pool's gonna be a lot cleaner. It's not too bad. You can see the turtle through the water. It's really hard to see any of the fish at all, really. You can see some dark shapes. I don't know if they pick up on the camera real well, but those are different little rocks and caves. Try and add some little spots for the different fish to go hide. Yeah, hopefully this worked out alright. Just monitor it real heavy. I'm usually out here a few times a day checking on it. So, hopefully, as long as we don't have any major overnight catastrophes, this pool pond's going to be alright, I think. Like I said, I'm only going to keep it up for like a month, 2 months maybe, before it'll start getting too cold to have to bring everybody back in. But it'll give me a fun little project. And honestly, I might try and get a slightly smaller pool like this and set up indoors. So, we'll see. So, I think that's all for now. Might still try and jump up the filter to like 550 or like a 600 or maybe an 800. I don't know. I don't want to overflow the capabilities of that there filter. But we obviously want enough turnover in here that, you know, it actually cleans. Might dump some algae killer in here, aquarium kind, and all that fun stuff, because I don't got no sucker fish. I mean, there's some snails in here, but we'll see. We'll monitor it, just see what comes out of it. So, any further updates, and we'll probably put it in another video, but I think this is going to end it for the first installment of the Intex 10-foot round by 30-inch deep pool to pond conversion video. So later, y'all.